Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to talk about how to place a shaped pad on your PCB. First, open the PCB editor. In the top menu, find place, click on it, and then select shaped pad from the drop-down. This will open a pad properties window where you can set up all the details for your pad. In the properties window, you can choose the pad layer, its number, and the net it belongs to. You can also adjust the rotation, add thermal mask expansion, adjust the settings based on your design needs so you can precisely control the pad's position, shape, and electrical connections. Once you are done, click Confirm, and the pad will appear on your PCB with the shape from your specified. If you want to check the shape afterwards, just select the pad, go to the right-hand property panel and choose Edit Pad Shape. Then you can drag the edge to adjust it exactly how you want. This method is perfect for special packages or whenever you need a precise pad shape, making your PCB layout more flexible and professional.